How come every time I come in the kitchen, you in the kitchen? In the refrigerator.
What up, what it is, it's your boy J Matthew back with another video. I got something special, a couple things special in the mail. One of them I've been wanting for a while, and another one of them I wanted just because I wasn't able to get the first one, and I just managed to get both of them like 2 weeks apart, or a week apart. So today actually I have the Yeezy Boost 700. This is the Wave Runner colorway in a 9.5. As you see on top of the box, it has Yeezy Boost 700. Bottom is made by Adidas. You see the sticker right there. If you need any reference, side of the box it has Boost. Top it has 700. The pull-out side it has Yeezy Boost 700 and made by Adidas. On the bottom, nothing else. Under it has Adidas symboling on the bottom. For the paper on the inside, I'm gonna make this quick. For the paper on the inside, see the traditional Yeezy paper. And I have already worn these once. I wore these to Dreamville Fest, which I'm gonna get into that when I finish reviewing it. Here's the tags that come with the sneakers, and it comes with the little rope tie. And yeah, that's pretty much all to the box. As far as the shoes go, bam. Have your 700 Wave Runners. So this is a shoe that I wanted for a very, very long time, and I just wasn't able to get because I had no kind of luck with them, getting them on initial release day, getting them on restocks, Yeezy day. Just never had luck. I don't ever have luck on the confirmed app. When I get through on Yeezy Supply, I'm not able to hit the purchase button, so it's just weird. I just never have luck on Kanye's a majority of the time, so I'm happy to finally get these. I managed to stay up late when these re-released, and I got them from an overseas shop called Foot District. I think it's either Foot Patrol or Foot District, one of the two. And they managed to ship out to me within like a week, and everything went smoothly, so I'm happy I finally have them. Like I said, these are a 9.5. You have a great upper, right? This part right here, this panel is tumbled leather, which is very soft and plush. Got the mesh knitting right here on the back. 3M little hits right here. A little black panel right here on the side. You have the two iconic orange little circle pods on the midsole, which are 3M. You have a white midsole, which I would actually say it was kind of cream, I would say, but teacher's own. Then you have the little black accents right here, kind of forming like a wave pattern. And you can see like the little crease here from where I worn it a couple of times. So that's kind of something you have to look out for, is the creasing. If you don't mind it, you don't walk too hard, it shouldn't be too bad. The front of the shoe, you have some nice suede here, and you see changing material pattern a little bit, maybe not, but you got that blue right here, that kind of blue. Got the green or turquoise hits, whatever you want to call it. The iconic yellow or lime volt laces. Got a 3M hit right here that shines when the light hits it. The heel of the shoe. You see the stacked midsole with the boost on the inside. Got a little black piping right here. More of that suede on the back. 3M hits on the inside of these little perforated holes. On the inside of the shoe, it has Yeezy, and it has the Adidas performance symbol. And it has Yeezy. I don't know if I can see. There you go. It has Yeezy branding right there. And production date 5/21. Yeah, 5/21. So these are, and mine may be actually from the last release, because I actually, when I got the pair from online, I got them in a size 8.5, I believe, and that would have been entirely too small. So I went to a local consignment shop and switched them out for a higher size, or my size, which they charge $40 for, which is dumb, but it is what it is. This is the bottom. Like I said, you can see I've worn it before. I wore it to Dreamville Fest. This is the black traction on the bottom. You see that boost peeking through on the bottom. And yeah, that's pretty much all to it. See the little Adidas symbol on the bottom. These are extremely comfortable. Like I said, I'm normally a 9.5 on a lot of shoes I wear. I actually like my shoes to fit kind of tight, so I'll get size 9. And on all Adidas Yeezys, I actually wear size 10s. So when I first got these were kind of tight on my foot. Like my toes were like to the edge. But the thing that they say is, when you start to wear these, they start to mold around your foot. So, like I said, I wore them all day during Dreamville Fest. And by the end of the day, these were extremely, extremely comfortable. It was like maybe one of the top 3 most comfortable shoes I've ever worn after like they got broken in. So I highly, highly recommend these. I will throw a B-roll with me wearing them. And I will also throw a B-roll of the 3M or pictures of the 3M so you can see that as well. So these are the Wave Runners, $300. Now, the second pair I have, something similar to that. Like I said, I wanted these because I wasn't able to get the Wave Runners at first. So I thought this was a good second option. Yeezy Boost 700, and this is the Sun colorway. I got this on Concepts on a random restock. Shout out to So Savvy sneaker community. I was able to get the notification through the monitors, and I luckily snagged a pair. So, like I said, here you go. Same as the other box. It's just the difference is it has Sun as the colorway. So I've already pulled out one sneaker. Haven't done anything to this sneaker. Haven't worn it, nothing. Boom. It's the Sun colorway of the 700s, V1s. You see similarities and differences. See that? So the top is yellow as compared to the other shoe. It was gray. The tumbled leather is a yellow color, probably like I would call this like a honey mustard yellow. Yellow mesh, still has the same. Sorry about that interruption. That was a phone call. But yeah, like I said, the tags that come with it, it's the same tag as the other ones that was on the Wave Runners. Boom, boom. Got the little yarn tie to it. It's essentially the same shoe, except what was gray is yellow now. And the midsole is an orange color, but as you can see, it has like little fading in different parts of the midsole. So depending on how you look at the midsole, it could be like completely like an orange color, and then you turn a little bit and then you start to see parts of it just have a fade effect to it. Here's the bottom. Like I said, essentially it's the same. Essentially, the bottom of this may be actually a brown color, to be honest. What would I prefer? I would still prefer the Wave Runners, but these are really nice though. These have gray laces as well Forgot to mention that. As compared to the Volt yellow or lime laces and the Wave Runners. And yeah, that's essentially it with the two sneakers. Both extremely comfortable. Both look fly when you know how to rock them right. I got so many compliments on my Wave Runners when I went to Dreamville Fest. I saw probably 2 other people that wore them out of a bunch of people that was out there. So it was comfortable. Like I said, I felt good. I looked good. And it was just a vibe, man. These are probably my favorite silhouette. Probably my favorite Adidas Yeezy, actually. The Wave Runners. So I definitely give these a 10 out of 10. I would give the Suns probably a 8.5, maybe. Just simply because of it may be a little bit difficult to rock these with certain things. You can't wear them as much as you would like, but you can wear the Wave Runners with a plethora of things because it's so versatile, and gray goes with a lot. So yeah, guys, give me a like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, I'm about to put in B-rolls or video of me wearing both sneakers, showing you what they look like on feet. And I will come back with more reviews. I have 2 pairs of not Wave Runners, but foam runners coming this coming up week. So I have reviews on those. I have Jordan 2 Union Ratans. Those are coming. And I also have the New Balance Salahi with the little whistle on the back, the gray colorway. I have those coming as well. So I have reviews coming for you guys, man. Just stay patient with me. Stay locked and loaded. Like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, it's your boy J Matthew. I'm out.